Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robotic vacuums and mops. We'll be comparing the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the price. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is priced at $869, while the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop comes in at $699. Both products are packed with advanced features, but if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Shark AI Ultra might be the way to go. Now let's talk about hands-free cleaning. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus features an auto-empty dock pure, which automatically empties the robot after cleanup. With its 2.5L dust bag, it can store up to 7 weeks of debris, reducing the frequency of manual emptying. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop also offers self-emptying capabilities with a base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. So both products excel in this category. When it comes to cleaning power, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus boasts a powerful 4,200 pascal suction, easily lifting debris and pet hair from floors, cracks, and carpets. It even automatically increases suction when a carpet is detected for deep cleaning. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop offers incredible suction and sonic mopping. It cleans in a precision matrix grid and provides 30% better carpet cleaning. So, both products excel in their own unique ways. Let's move on to the vacuum and mop combination feature. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously, removing fine dust that vacuuming alone may miss. With 30 water flow levels, you can fine-tune the cleaning to match your floor types and preferences. Similarly, the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop offers sonic mopping and can scrub hard floors 100 times per minute. You can even initiate Matrix Mop in the app for targeted stain cleaning. So, both products provide excellent vacuuming and mopping capabilities. Now let's talk about navigation. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus features PreciSense Litter navigation, which creates precise maps of your home, tracks cleaning routes, and offers a wide range of smart cleaning functions. You can even view the map in 3D and recreate your home virtually. On the other hand, the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop utilizes 360 degrees litter vision to quickly and accurately map your home. It adapts to everyday changes in the home and detects and avoids objects in its path, so both products excel in navigation capabilities. Last but not least, let's discuss battery life. The Roborock Q7 Max Plus is powered by a supersized battery that provides up to 180 minutes of runtime or a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 SQFT. Meanwhile, the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop offers a battery life of 60 days. So, if you're looking for longer cleaning sessions without frequent recharging, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus might be the better choice. Overall, the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop have received positive reviews from customers. Here are some sentiments from online reviews. And there you have it. The comparison between the Roborock Q7 Max Plus and the Shark AI Ultra 2" 1 robot vacuum and mop. Both products have their own strengths and unique features. It ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.